me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. April here, and today I'm going to be talking about some overnight opportunities for you that you can do from your home or remotely. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you love videos like this where I give you tons of different companies to apply to for remote work opportunities, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and hit subscribe. All right guys, today I'm going over the top 5 remote jobs that you can do overnight. We all love the idea of working from home, but sometimes working the daily 9 to 5, even from home, or even the day shift just doesn't work out in our favor. I'm a night owl myself, and so I prefer working when my husband and both of my kids are asleep. So today I'm really excited to go over these 5 amazing job opportunities for you. Now, if you're an Apple person like me, you're going to love the first one. Apple at Home Advisors pretty much offers support to not only Apple users, but Apple products as well. If you are a good problem solver and have a great attitude, this is going to be the perfect job for you. Ours are based on business needs, so sometimes you may have to work holidays. But training is 9 weeks long, and Apple provides an iMac and a headset just for you. Have you been looking to get into the transcription industry? Well, this one's for you. 3Play Media are looking for team members who can help assist transcribing audio. Employees are asked to take a series of tests to make sure that they are the right candidate. There are a few things you need to think about before considering this position. 1, you have to be able to type at least 75 words per minute, and you have to understand that pay can be anywhere between $10 and $30 an hour, but it's just based off of the project that is given to you. But this is an amazing way to get your foot in the door into the transcribing industry. One of the easiest and most flexible jobs is social media evaluator. Some of the job opportunities may require being fluent in a second language, but if English is your first language, don't worry, they do have many opportunities for you. If you're a travel snob and you love planning out trips and giving people advice on travel itineraries, this one is going to be perfect for you. World Travel Holding Agents sell cruises and resort packages to clients. Night shifts are available, and they work up with 40 different brands. You do need good internet, and they do ask for a $250 deposit for a company computer and phone. But don't worry, there is no actual upfront payment, as they will take out small increments over 5 different paychecks. And again, this is refundable working with them. So if you love planning and you love traveling, this is going to be a great work at home opportunity for you. Last but not least, as you guys all know, I love virtual assisting, so this one's for you guys. Virtual assistants are in high demand with fancy hands, and the equipment is very easy. You just need a headset, a computer, and reliable internet. People have busy lives, and your job is to help them through it. Virtual assistants through fancy hands take on different tasks for different clients, but don't worry. They have manager positions available to make sure all the tasks are getting done correctly by virtual assistants. You get paid every 2 weeks on Tuesday. This is great for virtual assistants who are beginners and wanting to dip their toes in virtual assisting. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to hear all about your new job opportunities down below in the comments. Let me know which company you went and applied with and what your experiences were. I can't wait to see you next time. And don't forget to head to the description below and join the Stay at Home Profit family to surround yourself with amazing support with other work at home profiters. See you next time.